Hello and welcome. I'm Archana Shankar and welcome to my channel on fashion, image and style. T-shirts. Now as all of you know, so today I'm going to talk to you about menswear. So in menswear itself, I would like to talk to you about particularly t-shirts. Now as all of you know, guys and girls out there, you know, a man's wardrobe, generally an Indian man's wardrobe consists of three categories of clothing. One is your shirts, second is your t-shirts, and third is your kurtas. Now I'm just going to take t-shirts. Now already I've done an episode before this, which if you haven't seen, please you have to view this after this or before this, because this is a continuity of that. So if you watch both, then you kind of get a holistic approach to the whole thing. So we're going to particularly talk about t-shirts because if you I think if you ask any guy, no matter what age, most of them just generally love to be in a t-shirt because that's the most comfortable thing. When you're wearing a shirt, you're a little stiff. When you're wearing a t-shirt, you're like very relaxed. So t-shirts is a favorite of all you guys out there. Now in t-shirts, we are just going to evaluate a style scale, meaning which if you are just choosing a t-shirt to wear for different places or functions, which would be a more formal one and which would be a more casual one. So generally speaking, t-shirts are in the casual zone, but if you just take a group, a plethora of t-shirts, which would be a more formal one to wear it to a little bit more formal situation and which would be a very casual. So that is the style scale that we are going to discuss here. So already I've discussed in the previous episode, there are two main categories of t-shirts. One is a collared and the second one is a collarless. So there is no doubt which is the most formal. T-shirt with a collar is a more formal t-shirt, so which has already been discussed in the previous episode. So now we are getting into the collarless group of t-shirts. Now in a collarless group of t-shirts, as I already mentioned before, if you take a formality levels, what you get is a plain or a solid t-shirt without any other print is the most formal one. Sans any frills, that is your most formal. Then next comes your stripes, which again will be like if your stripes are thinner, you're more formal. If your stripes are broader, you are more casual. So that is how you kind of segregate them. And after the stripe comes your checkered t-shirts. Now checkered t-shirts are not so freely available in the market. So it's a little rare item to find. But if you find it, then that stands on your third level. Now after this, we go into the world of prints, which is like really refreshing. But if you ask some guys, they will say a no to prints. Now when you start with prints, I would suggest a t-shirt something like this, which is generally plain. The whole body is plain, but just for the pocket. The pocket has got some print. So this is like, more or less plain, but just a little pop of prints there. So this kind of stands on that level. And also a t-shirt like this, which again is more or less plain, but again you find the pocket has a slight print. So if you compare that to this is more formal because the print also is a very subdued one. It is not catching any attention. So compared to that and this, you will choose this as a more formal to this. So these are the just getting into the print zone. Then next is your overall printed t-shirt. So next lower level, or no next casual level are your all over prints. Now all over prints, now these are like very subdued kind of prints. It's a very cool print which I think 99% of men would be fine and comfortable wearing this kind of a t-shirt because it is not calling for any attention. Now after that would be something like a army print or a camouflage print. Now camouflage is again a fad which keeps going in and out, in and out. So when now it has been there in fashion for some time. So it's not just t-shirts. You find shirts, t-shirts, shoes, you find bags, you find jackets, and all kinds of things in this favorite print of ours. And I guess guys feel a little more manly wearing this kind of print. I don't know, I think so. So this is like an all-time favorite. Now these two, the one I showed before, these two are both are like very subtle. It doesn't call out for attention. Now you would be wonder why I keep repeating this word attention. Now unlike girls, generally we think guys don't want so much of attention, or that is what we believe. I don't think so. I really don't believe that. But at least you ask many of them, some of them will be reluctant to wear certain kind of prints. But we girls, we don't really care. We wear anything and we're fine. We love the attention that we get. And then we're getting into the world of florals, all over print florals. So this is like a very vibrant, it is a little subtle, but it is a vibrant t-shirt which brings in a lot of life. So if I ask, I'm sure many of you guys might not be very comfortable wearing this, but today the man's attitude, the guy's attitude has changed. Guys are cool. But this probably there is probably an age for certain things like this. Not everybody would be comfortable wearing this. But again, floral. So if you're not so comfortable wearing such a bright one, you could take something like this. This is a very subtle kind of print. Again, it's a floral if you see, but the prints are so subtle. It's a grey t-shirt with a tinted purple and a tinted green and a tinted yellow on this. So it doesn't really call for so much of attention. So florals, if you want to wear, you could wear this, or if you are somebody who is more vibrant, then you could wear that. Then comes on the lower level would come something like these kind of spiritual kind of t-shirts, meaning this has a Buddha print on it, if you can see. So these kind of t-shirts again are a fad. Sometimes it comes, sometimes it goes, but spirituality is always fashionable. So you keep spotting them in all kinds of things. It could be a Buddha, or it could be some other spiritual guru icon, whatever. So you find these kind of things spotted all the time. So this is the next level where you kind of find these. Again, this is not a very loud one, although it has got this kind of a print. It is a very subdued kind of a t-shirt. T-shirts with just some motif, a block motif here, or some writings here, or a digital or a drawing here, something like just a motif here or on the back. So that is again more casual. So generally you associate more like younger boys, younger guys wearing those kind of t-shirts to older guys. But it doesn't really matter. Age is just in your mind. So you can always wear whatever you feel comfortable and feel confident. Whatever you wear, the basic is to feel confident and nice and comfortable inside. So these, the ones with the design motif, or maybe just a writing. The writings could be funny, stupid, very loud, or wacky, whatever. So sometimes when you see a guy wearing such a t-shirt with some kind of a writing, you kind of strain to read what is written on him, and sometimes it brings a smile. Okay, it depends on what is written. But those kind of t-shirts have always been in vogue and will always stay. You could have your own writing printed, because now you have so many places which print your own things on your t-shirts. So that is the next lower level, or the most very casual level. And last but not the least, are your party zone. So these t-shirts, if you see, you can see they got a lot of sequins studded on them. So this is like a real party zine. Now, I'm not saying that everybody would love to go to a party wearing such a bright and such a loud thing, but there are people who love, because party is a party. You call for attention at a party, or a celebration for that matter. So you would wear this, but see, even if it's a casual, I would say it's a dressy casual. So even in formal clothing, I had discussed before in an episode, formal, there are two types of formal. One is your professional, your job formal, and another one is your dressy formal, meaning when you're attending a wedding, an engagement, a party, that's your dressy formal. Same way in casual also, you could take that casual, which is a typical casual, and these are like a dressy casual, meaning it's casual but little dressed up. You're taking care to wear something like this, and you love the attention, you call for attention. So that is what it is. Now, these are the things, all the things which I wanted to discuss with you. Now you have, between these two episodes, you have the style scale in collar t-shirts and the style scale in collarless t-shirts. Now I hope and I believe that you have liked this video. If you have liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, I would strongly suggest that you should, because I would come with a lot of episodes which will be dealing in fashion, image and style, and I am not biased. I do women's wear and menswear as well. So if you have any query, guys and girls, please feel free to post it here so that I can do my episodes based on that. Or if not, I would come with a lot on which will be spanning on all these topics. I believe you have liked this. If you have liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. I'll be coming back with lots more. Signing off, Archana Shankar.